we're checking out your latest weather update here. It's going to be a hot Thursday. We have temperatures getting back to 90 degrees. First time in a while that we've been that warm. It can be a little humid too, so definitely make sure you stay hydrated throughout the day Thursday. That air conditioner, I think, will be running quite a bit, as we'll see. Temperatures warming pretty quickly throughout the day. We'll have partly cloudy skies. Now, there is a cold front coming into the mix, and that's going to bring a chance for a few pop-up storms, especially as we go later in the day. I think towards about 4 p.m. through about 9 p.m. A few scattered storms. Any of those storms could be locally strong, so that's something we will watch here. When you look at the forecast data, it does show from, especially about 4 p.m. through about 9 p.m. on our Thursday evening. We'll have a few storms around, locally strong to severe as possible, but again, the coverage will not be too great. So I think we're more likely to be dry versus actually seeing rain, but the chance is there, so just something to worth keeping in mind here for tomorrow afternoon and evening. But I wouldn't be too concerned about getting wet. As we look at the forecast moving forward, the rain chances will end by Friday morning. We'll see those clouds decreasing, sunny skies by the afternoon, and we will start to notice lowering humidity Friday and Saturday. So I know the temperature doesn't drop all that much for the daytime highs, but it will feel a lot better, especially as we go into Saturday morning. We got a low temperature in the low 60s. We're going to have clear skies. Saturday looks like a beautiful day. It'll still be warm, but the humidity will be very low, so it'll feel quite comfortable. We'll start to bring back a little more humidity Sunday with our next chance for a few showers, a couple thunderstorms. Again, not a washout on Sunday, but that will be at least a chance worth watching. And as we go into next week, we'll lower that chance Monday before we increase the chance as we go into next Tuesday. Thanks for watching this forecast update. Have a good day.